What's this? Ooh, my chest. Man, I keep on my chest, dog. Yeah.
Hey, brother. Hey, Banna.
Oh.
What's going on?
I don't know. Maybe H man, shit.
Hey, Banna.
Oh, gee. Yeah. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Hey, Banna.
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back? They think you're a monster. Prove them right.
Bust down the beat cause kids hella tuba. Ask my cause for the aya game or not. Oh hello man.
Say what up, it's your boy Twarix. Hashtag baby we smooth. Yeah, I like camera sharp. So guys, if y'all, this is not my girlfriend by the way, you cousin not. So don't you guys think and see what. Yeah. So but where can the people find you?
Facebook.
Esma.
I'll
put the socials there on Instagram.
I do have, but like I'm not that active.
Yes. So I can't that thing, ma. Okay, sharp. So like into this video, like basically like a smash or pass. Celebrity edition, influencer, lady YouTuber. So guys, as I've seen the title, we will be playing the smash or pass game. So guys, thank you guys for the 1K subscribers. Currently now we're on 2K subscribers. We're growing fast, baby. So I'm just proud, man. I'm out of words. Thank you guys, man. You know, road to 5K, road to 5,000 subscribers. More yummy content coming soon. Smash or pass, man. Smash or pass, innit? Go slowly.
Yeah.
Amazing, go slowly. Pass. Why pass?
It's not my time.
Why like type?
Kinda ugly. I guess we gotta think like could be ban and stuff like that. So nah. Yeah, but like okay.
Pass. Shit. The next one, Sunabi. The next one. Look at him proper. Would you smash or pass? How quickly? What do you
Smash.
So you say you would smash or not be?
Yeah. Chocolate caramel. Ooh.
Chocolate and caramel.
What's good? So you'd smash?
Yeah.
Shit. That way should not be. Would you smash Zilowizi?
Zero stupid.
I feel like he's funny.
Yeah, he's funny, but he's not funny.
What's this? Ooh, my chest.
Brother.
Man, I eat my chest. I got shoot. So you'd pass Zilowizi?
Yeah.
Too funny. So like Zilowizi is kind of short, man. So how are short niggas?
I don't want short niggas.
Okay, so it's a pass for Zilowizi. On to the next, just the DG.
Smash. I would smash.
Oh man, Chester. So you smash just the DG.
Yeah, it's kind of cute though.
Okay. So the next one, Kimuma. Yeah, Kimuma. Or maybe Kimuma. Kimuma. Would you smash Kimuma?
No.
Why?
Pass. Okay, there is nothing nice in it, but the face thingy is not that cute for me.
Chai.
So he's got drip and everything.
Yeah, but
the face card, that look like shit.
In time now.
Yeah, man. The next one, Joseph Darius. Smash. So we're going to
Smash.
Smash and you said
Yeah.
why would you smash? Plus the man
Hard,
it's like 29 years old, do that.
It's just a
fine.
number.
Nah, don't make us wait, my sister. Some of us who wanna just do hit and run. Don't make us wait.
Okay. Okay. So you will smash.
Yeah.
Okay. So the YouTubers, I don't know. Like, I don't know about the YouTubers. So let's just go about to the celebrities.
Hey, brother. Relax.
Would you smash Wamizi Matlara do boy?
No.
Why? A bobo said body. Pirita 1000.
But famous, but like it's not for me, man.
But like Lenny is kinda like no Diddy, but like he's kinda attractive.
How attractive am I?
Don't you want that morning voice? Or did you sleep? How about the idea? So you're not into guys like him. So it's a pass. Shit.
Good boy.
That's it. Smash or pass, Nasty C.
Smash.
What's good?
Without any doubt.
We work at confidence. It's like, we work at
Without any
confidence.
doubt, yeah. I will
So you
smash.
Shit. Into the next one. Casper your best. Hibat.
Yo.
Plus, Nguyen is a changed man. Maybe like.
Drama means pass.
Yo, drama.
Shit.
Okay. On to the next. Let me just 25k. What's good?
Hey, brother, relax.
Yo, man, I keep him on my chest, dog. Yeah.
25k.
Yeah, 25k.
Smash, yeah.
Smash. Why would you smash?
That thing, man.
Yeah? That thing.
That thingy. Yes, that thingy. Very chilled.
My life into like curious,
Very
like
chill.
nonchalant.
Matured.
Nonchalant.
Like, he got it all, Shem. So, without any doubt, I would
Shoot,
smash.
Shit.
Okay.
Confident.
On to the next one. Scream like on a meeting.
Yeah.
Frank Casino. Would you smash or pass Frank Casino?
Yo! I don't know. I'm in between. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think pass, man. Let's pass.
Alright.
Hey, brother.
Okay, come on.
Yo, what's good?
What's going on?
I don't know, maybe Asian shit.
Oh, gee. You're right now.
What's going on, boy? What's going on?
I need to go check yourself, bruh. Yeah! What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Yeah! You tell me.
What's good?
Brother, what's up?
I'm gonna be just a ninja.
Yeah,
What the fuck is this piece of shit? Rural boy.
That is a prank. It's a fucking prank. This ain't
Who are
blood.
you, bro?
This ain't blood, dog. But it looks like blood, but it's not blood.
Most definitely. What's this?
Shit.
What's that?
Squeeze like juice, like a mixture of like juice and. Got lala. So guys, if you have made it this far, so guys, I wanted like a dramatic.
But I'm not.
Nah, dog, I wanted a dramatic like reaction, dog, but we didn't get it like that. So maybe next time, bro. So guys, please smash the subscribe button, like the video. If you mess with the video, please like it, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. So but share subscribe. Listen, but share subscribe.
Yeah, man. Subscribe to King Bicharolo. What video?
Chwarix.
Chwarix on YouTube. Find us there.
Yeah, you guys are closing off. Subscribe. 1K sub is road to 5K sub.
I'm not.